Hi folks, welcome to another Skeleton how-to video. Today I'm going to go over the blank page skip feature. This is something that works in both copying and scanning mode where you can remove blank pages from your document. I'll start by showing you the copied mode. Touch copy on your machine's touchscreen. This is under others. And then if you touch the blank page skip button and just activate that feature, what it will do is if you had, let's say you had a 20-page document that was two-sided, and only some of the pages had content on the back. You can choose 2 to 2 or 1 to 1. When you make that copy, your copies that come out are going to have the blank pages removed from them. This is helpful in a scan mode as well. When we go to scan, we want to choose where we want it to go first. Touch OK. Again, under Others, you'll see blank page skip. So if we activate that, this is especially helpful on scanned images because you won't have any blank pages in the middle of your PDF. So once you turn that on, you can hit the start key to scan your originals through. I don't have any originals in my document feeder or else that would go through. But that's a very helpful feature for making your products look a little bit more professional. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider clicking the like and subscribe button to help others like you find our videos. Thanks for watching.